Hello fellow traders, this is Paul Lumma. Got another stock here, HTZ Hertz Global Holdings, the car rental company. And this one has a pretty good chart, long-term cycles in play, and a pretty big move off of the $5 PPP over the last few months. Now we have a TM1 cycle pullback setting up on it. So I'll break down the full cycles here in a minute. But first, before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Really helps us reach more traders like you and keeps you updated on our latest trading tips. Also, we're looking for talent, maybe someone who's not locked into their own way of trading and is open to exploring a new outside-the-box form of cycle-based trading, which we use to swing trade equities and day trade indexes, SPY, QQQ, and futures. If you have any interest in that, DM me through our social media or email me at paul@bigkahnatradingclub.com and I'll give you more information. Okay, in the market rating right now, Dow Jones third. It popped down one scale on the rating. Right now it's a D+. We're looking for the market to reclaim that prior pivot high and then retest and hold above the prior high. So once we do that, we'll be in pretty good shape for potentially a pretty good rally, probably mid to late summer going into the fall. Okay, breaking down the cycles here on Hertz HTZ. We had a TM4 cycle off of the IPO back in 2021, and you can see pretty much squeezed into that $15 PPP. And then the price popped off of that and printed a TM5 cycle right there. So the key IPO cycle is a TY-1 cycle. TM7 is also a pretty powerful cycle. But as you can see, once that TY-1 cycle set, that was pretty much the line for the TY-2, the 3.5-year cycle, which is a primary cycle also. So you can see once that $5 psychological price point was tested, probably for about 10 months or so. Very strong pop off of that, and TY2 basically just set up perfectly from the IPO back here. Let's look at that 3.5 year perfectly. These cycles are really good off the IPO shakeouts. So right now we have a TM1 1.5 month cycle on a pullback. Probably needs to pull back in there for a couple days, if not a week or so. And so I would suspect probably going to be doing it somewhere up here at 750 plus PPP, maybe $8 or so. And then again, we got really strong BMI, so this is definitely one to watch in a pullback, close to 2 BMI here. And so we'll break down some price targets once we get back. If you're unfamiliar with any of the trading terms I'm using, you can find our club lingo at bigkahnatradingclub.club/lingo. Now looking at some targets based on the base BMI, 2 BMI approximately, that would extrapolate to about $30 based on 2 times $10 or so, 200%, and adding 10 be around $30. And if you base it on a channel, you have a TM1 cycle off the lows. The north channel of that would be around, probably by the time it got there, it'd be close to the $15 area. And that would be 100% from here. Now if it hit the X channel, TM1-U X channel, be close to $20, be close to 200% on that if it hit it. You also have the long-term pivot at possible target right there in that $28 area. So either way, if you get this thing gets moving, this could be a multi 100% gainer, just targeting the BMI resolution and also the channel's resolution too. So even an X channel, 2X channel, would take it to 25, 27 plus. So looks like it's going to be heading towards that handle, especially since we have, well, this handle, I mean the U pivot over here, since we have the key IPO cycles in place. So looks pretty good. HTZ Hertz Global Holdings Inc. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtraining.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.